Welcome, today in front of me Honor X7 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to more connections section, then click here to NFC, and if you want to turn it on you should click here only once on the switcher. If you want to turn it off you should click here on the switcher once again. Here you can see the tutorial how to use NFC your device with NFC. If you wanna just make it by the second way, you should first open notification panel and here you should find the NFC icon. If you handle this icon like in my case, you should tap here to edit icon and find the NFC, hold it and drag it here to this up section, then just click here to done to save the changes, and now we can see here the NFC icon and we can turn it on or turn it off from here, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.